Welcome to Cooking with Carlina. On today's episode, we're going to be making the picnic berry quencher. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. For the picnic berry quencher, you will need a half a cup of fresh cut watermelon, 1 cup of strawberries, and a half a cup of banana. First, you're going to take 1 cup of fresh cut strawberries and pour it in your blender. And then you're going to want to take a half a cup of fresh cut watermelon. And then finally, you're going to want to take a half a cup of fresh cut bananas. This is a great summer smoothie for your friends and everything, so let's do it. And bam! Alrighty, here we go. You're gonna wanna get like a cute mason jar and then put a really cute ribbon on it and get your favorite DIY straw and to serve at your next party for your friends. So you just take it, pour it in there. And enjoy! So healthy and so amazing. Alright, for this recipe and my other recipes, go to www.cookingwithcarlina.com. I'll see you guys there and have a happy summer. Mwah!